In today's video, I am going to teach you how to record employee time off in Gusto. Once you are signed into your Gusto account, start by looking at the navigation menu on the left side of the screen. From here, select Home and then choose Time Off. This area is where you can review time off activity and also add new requests or entries, depending on your access level. On the Time Off page, find and select the option that says Record Time Off. This is used when you need to manually enter time off for an employee, such as a request that was approved outside of Gusto, a correction for a prior entry, or time off that needs to be recorded for accurate payroll and balances. After you click Record Time Off, you will be prompted to choose a time off policy. Select the correct policy for the time you are recording. Common examples include vacation and sick, but your organization may have additional policies like personal time, holiday, or other custom categories. Picking the right policy matters because it controls how the hours are tracked, what balance is reduced, and how it appears in reports and payroll records. Next, select the dates for the time off. Make sure the date range matches what the employee actually took. It is a good habit to double-check your payroll schedule and the pay period, so the time off is recorded in the correct window. Now enter the hours per day. Type the number of hours the employee used on each date in the range. If the employee took full days off, enter the typical daily hours for that employee. If it was a partial day, enter only the hours that were taken. Taking a moment here to ensure the hours line up with the employee's normal schedule can help prevent balance issues later. When everything looks correct, select Record to save the entry. Once recorded, the time off should be applied to the employee's time off balance and reflected in your records. If you notice a mistake before moving on, correct it right away so your payroll and reporting stay accurate. And that is all there is to it.